Artificial intelligence is changing everything from writing emails, creating videos, answering questions, and now people are saying it can replace your realtor and save you thousands of dollars when buying a home. So here's the question. Do you really need a real estate agent anymore? Can AI negotiate for you? Can it find hidden problems? And can it save you money? Or could it actually cost you thousands? Today, we are going to be deep diving one of the biggest conversations happening right now in real estate. We're not here to fear AI. We're actually here to use it every day. But today we're going to tell you exactly where AI is amazing, where it completely falls apart, and how buyers can use both AI and a great realtor to make smarter decisions. So grab your coffee or something stronger and let's unrake it.
Let's do it.
All right. Welcome to Real Estate UnRaked, episode number 48.
Excellent.
How's everybody today? Good?
Hello. Yeah.
Here I say usually everybody, but it's just you and
it's
Mike.
It's just us. Yes.
Yeah.
Did we just become best friends? Yep.
Nothing to fear, Dane. We're all good. We're all good today. This is going to be great.
All right.
But we've got some really great stuff to talk about. And AI is pretty much has found its way into almost everybody's life.
Good. Great. Grand. Wonderful.
Yeah.
If you have a cell phone, that's pretty much what's been doing.
Absolutely. It's everywhere now and everybody's talking about it. So we decided to talk about it today ourselves.
Awesome.
Well, I think it's an important topic. So we really need to get in here and deep dive it and bring some truth to the world. And that's what I wanted to talk about today.
All right.
So we've been seeing headline after headline. AI will replace realtors. AI will negotiate offers. AI will save buyers money. Some companies are even advertising that buyers won't need an agent anymore. AI, yes, it has exploded over the last 2 years. Consumers are researching homes differently. Their buyers are asking ChatGPT questions really before calling us agents.
Mm-hmm.
AI is helping people understand contracts, neighborhoods, and financing. And this is honestly, this is not science fiction anymore. You're not Star Wars or anything like that. This is legitimate reality.
Right. And that's not a bad thing. Technology has always changed real estate. MLS changed everything. Zillow changed everything. Electronic signatures changed everything and made it a whole lot easier too. Now AI is changing everything.
Yep.
I swear I've seen a lot of stuff in my life.
You remember when everyone said Zillow was going to replace realtors? So how did that work?
Yeah, no doubt. Technology isn't replacing great agents. It's replacing average ones.
We're going to give AI some credit here because it actually does some incredible things and it does it very well. And what AI can do usually is, and what the consumer usually uses it mostly for when it comes to real estate, is really explain mortgage terms, compare neighborhoods.
Yeah.
It builds moving checklists, answers questions 24/7, calculate payments, explain closing costs, explain closing costs, research schools, estimate commute times, create home buying timelines, and it also organizes paperwork.
Yeah, and here's something people might not expect. We use it. For example, we use it for marketing to help us market what we have to put out there, whether we're doing listing descriptions or video ideas.
We do that a lot.
Yeah. Social media, so it helps us with all that market research, gives us ideas. We might hit a wall sometimes trying to think something up, and it will give us some ideas that we can work with. And then brainstorming, throwing some ideas off of it, and it will help us go in deeper what we're trying to figure out. Email writing, which helps us sound a little smarter sometimes than we probably are.
Yeah, I actually have it. You used to have that spell check button in Microsoft Word,
right?
And now it's a little bit different. Now it kind of tells you that, hey, you're a horrible writer.
Yeah, it's good. It was quite honest sometimes. An organization, it does help out tremendously with the organization for sure.
So, but if you're not using AI today, you're already behind.
Yeah, AI reminds me to drink water, and I still ignore it. Yep.
Well, this is where things are going to get interesting for us, okay? So the first thing we need to understand is AI, is it really negotiating for us? AI doesn't negotiate emotions. People do. Sellers get offended, buyers panic, and agents solve problems.
Right. And home inspections, AI cannot smell mold, hear a noisy AC, feel a soft floor, spot poor workmanship or crawl into an attic. AI is there, but we have to be there too. We got to take care of it.
Well, the other thing is reading people. There's certain talking points when you're having conversations with people. The seller motivation that goes on that you got to focus on.
Yeah.
Somebody that's dealing with a divorce, a job relocation. You run into the estate sales, people pass away, that kind of thing. Financial hardship, timing, the multiple offer situation, reading body language, and, just having phone conversations.
Right. Buying house isn't just math. It's psychology.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah.
Well, the local knowledge as well with AI. AI can tell you about, if the HOA exists, but a realtor can tell you where to send the HOA, how they send the violation letters because your garbage can stayed outside 6 minutes too long.
Yeah, and AI knows the HOA rules. Your realtor knows which HOA president measures your grass with a ruler as well.
No doubt. And when it comes to builders, this one drives me crazy. We've already discussed just briefly, the advantages of AI and what it can do to benefit the customers and the buyers that are out there, and kind of what the realtor does and just the little things that the AI won't be able to do. But we're really going to jump into that.
Okay.
But before we do, I'm going to rapid fire some questions off. I want you to tell me AI or realtor, Dane.
All right.
Who negotiates better?
Realtor.
All right. Who catches inspection issues?
Realtor.
Oh, who explains contracts?
Realtor.
Who helps during a low appraisal?
A realtor.
Who saves relationships when emotions get heated?
Definitely a realtor.
Who answers a call at 10:30 at night?
Definitely a realtor.
Who spots overpriced homes?
A realtor.
Ooh,
AI can too, though. I mean, if put all the right info, you got to give them the right info and let them jar it, and then they can
maybe
60% of the time it works every time.
But I'm gonna go with realtor on that one.
All right. Who catches builder mistakes?
Definitely a realtor.
Yeah, we do that a lot.
Right.
Who actually fights for repair credits?
And realtor for sure.
AI might answer you in 2 seconds, but it isn't crawling into an attic and helping you find the right stuff.
No, it would not. No, absolutely not.
Before we jump into what AI is going to tell us, I want to jump into, will AI replace real estate agents?
No, I think it's a great tool for real estate agents to use to help them do better with their clients and their overall workload for sure.
Well, my answer would be some, absolutely. And the reason why I say that is because
go ahead. I know where you're going. I know exactly where you're going.
Your average agent, the ones that are order takers, the ones that open doors, that just push paper, those jobs are actually going to disappear. Bye-bye. The great advisors are never going to.
No. The future isn't AI or realtors. It's AI plus great realtors.
Yep.
Kind of what I was just mentioning there at the beginning there.
Well, the agents who embrace AI are going to dominate. And as a matter of fact, I'll let everybody in on a little secret. I've been heavily working with AI to creating a brand new website for our team.
Here we go.
Yeah, and I'm excited to see the results
for the customer.
Yeah.
And where AI is going to help us with this is they're going to be constantly searching the internet with interesting content, information content, that's going to be one central hub. For anybody that's looking in Northeast Florida, they're going to be able to go to this. They're going to be able to compare new construction communities, see the incentives, be able to reach out to us.
That's going to be awesome.
And everything's going to be right there. And the only thing that it's really going to be left to do is to actually physically go visit these communities,
right,
and go do it. All your answers are going to be right there in front of you. It's going to be a huge information hub for any buyer and seller that's looking in the Northeast Florida area.
That's going to be huge. That's going to be a great tool.
Really, really excited about it. So when I tell you that I didn't spend tens of thousands of dollars on this web design,
right,
or have a web designer help me do it, I actually use several different AIs to help me generate it and walk me through step by step, and us create a huge blueprint for this. And I'm in the construction stage of it right now, and it's amazing. And then the integration of AI inside the actual interface of it's going to be really cool.
Yeah, from what you've told me so far, I cannot wait to see the final result of this. This is going to be not only a great tool for us, but any customer that's looking at homes or possibly selling their home, it gives them some insight before they connect with us, and we'll be able to help them that next step.
No, absolutely. I'm excited about it. I hope our customers get excited about it, and our team.
Yeah.
And we do a lot of things because we do a lot of stuff, from this podcast to our videos, to everything else that we do, but they're just all over.
Yeah, and this will be a good
It's gonna be
central
nice
hub
'cause
for
it's
it
gonna
all,
be
right?
there. Everybody's going to get to see everything because we offer so much education.
Mhm.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
We just actually had a business rate on the Google reviews and Google itself that we were ranked number 3, or we were tied for second, right?
We were tied for second.
We were tied for second last month of being the top real estate team
In Fleming Island.
Fleming Island, Florida.
Awesome.
Florida.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That is cool because you don't really see the fruits of your labor until you see stuff like that.
No,
But we definitely want to take care of more people. That's for sure.
yeah, absolutely. And it's an honor to have that,
It is.
to be recognized. So that means our hard work is starting to show, and we're hoping people will take notice and give us a call.
But the genuine heart of all this, yes, is AI intertwined, in our business, in our lives? Absolutely it is.
Mm-hmm.
Who's probably the first AI person that you probably ever used besides Siri in your life?
Gosh, I can't.
Everybody's probably used it at one point in time.
Oh, I'm sure.
Alexa from Amazon.
Well, Siri and Alexa kind of came out at the same
They
time.
kind of did.
Yeah.
That was really the start of it. Then you got into these other programs where it was actually doing small, tedious little tasks for work.
Right.
That everyone's using that right now. There's actually been requirements of some businesses when people are doing it to help them with their tasks so they can do more during the day.
Right.
It's almost a requirement now to provide and use AI for that, which for us, is it going to replace our jobs 100%? No, it's not, because you still need that human aspect of it.
Very much.
And there's going to be things that we catch that AI is not going to catch. I mean, you can actually type it in later and say, hey, this is what my real estate did. I guarantee you that if you do that, it's going to tell you that you have a really good realtor.
No doubt. But one thing that I like to stress here is it's not always 100% accurate or correct. So if somebody's just using it, throws it out there, then they're not using it properly. You're going to have to double check everything. And I mean everything, because we don't want to put false information out there to anybody. And so we do our due diligence and double check everything if we use an AI before we put it out there.
Yeah. Real quick, Dane, this is going to be fun. I'm going to say, what would AI say? So I'm going to ask you an AI question, and then I want you to kind of tell me what you think AI is going to say.
Oh my goodness. All right.
You think you can do that?
Well, we'll find out.
All right. Question 1. I'm buying a house with 4 offers.
Submit your strongest offer.
Okay. How strong?
Oh my goodness.
It's interesting how the AI reacts to it.
Right.
But, you can tell it, hey, my inspection found roof damage. AI is going to tell you negotiate repairs.
Right.
You're asking with who, for how much, before what deadline?
Yeah, no doubt.
And a realtor is going to tell you all that stuff without that.
Right.
Here's another one. The appraisal came in low, and AI is going to tell you, hey, you know what? Renegotiate.
Okay.
And I'm going to say, oh, great. Thanks. How am I going to do that?
Right.
Another, you can say to AI, hey, I'm nervous. And AI is going to say, buying a home is stressful. No kidding. Right?
Yeah, no doubt.
AI has never ugly cried at a closing table.
Oh my goodness.
It has never done that. So just with those examples that I was talking about, it's so cut and dry and transparent, but it may not be accurate.
Right. No. And AI doesn't, talking about Realtor and AI has no emotion. So, and you got to have emotion when you're dealing. You got to have empathy and whatever, sympathy, or however you want to word it, when you're dealing with somebody that is selling their home or trying to find a home at the right price or whatever. You gotta act like, what do we always say? You gotta have all our different hats that we got to wear.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So AI can't do that.
Jack of all trades, master to none.
Yeah. Right.
If you want to say it that way. AI, do we know? I mean, people can talk about science fiction movies, it's going to be like iRobot or, the Terminator or anything like that. I don't think we'll ever get there.
No.
But the commonality in all those movies is, you're right, AI has zero emotion.
Right.
It's got one task and one task only, and it's going to do everything it can to accomplish that task.
That's correct.
Now, do you know that in the real estate business, or any business that we do that does require human emotion, or that's going to create and spawn human emotion, that's where AI is going to fall to the wayside.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, if you're a cold-hearted person and you like being that way, well, guess what? AI is going to be your best friend.
Yeah, no doubt. No doubt.
But here's 5 things that AI will never tell you about a house. The neighborhood feels completely different at night.
No.
The seller would probably accept $15,000 less if approached the right way. Probably. The builder has a history of offering better incentives at the end of the month. A house backs up to a retention pond that floods after every major storm.
Oh, heaven help them.
And the floor plan looks great online, but the layout doesn't fit how most families actually live.
Right.
So the final takeaway is this. If AI helps you become a smarter buyer, use it. We do, but don't confuse information with representation, because when six figures are on the line, you just don't need answers. You need someone who's been there before.
Technology does not replace experience. It amplifies it.
So if today's episode helped you better understand where AI fits into buying a home, share it with somebody who's thinking about buying or selling.
Mm-hmm.
We'd also love to hear from you. And do you think AI will replace realtors, or will it make great agents even better? Drop your thoughts in our comments. Send us a message. We love seeing that, especially on our short videos and all the comments.
Right.
Oh my gosh. It makes me chuckle. And I'm sure some of the AI stuff responds to us as well.
Yeah, no doubt.
But we love seeing all those comments. And if you're thinking about buying a home anywhere in Northeast Florida, whether it's a resale or new construction, give us a call before you make the next move. We'd love to hear and help you. That way you can use every tool available, including AI.
Yeah.
While making sure someone is still fighting for your best interest. So again, follow us on social media, watch our YouTube videos. We've got some great new construction videos coming out.
Yeah.
And, one thing I'm always going to start talking about after we're done with every episode is this. How crucial is it to have us as your real estate agent when you go to these new communities? The site agent isn't your friend.
No, the site agent's only worried about the builder and getting what they need for them. Somebody else to represent you.
And I can't tell you enough how important it is to have a good realtor to go with you.
Yep.
All right. Well, thanks for listening, guys. And until next week, we'll see you soon.